Plat 10 is a platinum-based silicone rubber mixed 1:1 by weight or by volume. With a 35-minute work time and a shore hardness of 10, its flexibility is great for molding parts with high complexity, including undercuts and other challenges. After creating your mold box, weigh out equal parts of both side A and side B. Plat 10 is translucent, but can be colored using silicone dyes and pigments. Mix thoroughly for at least 4 to 6 minutes, scraping the sides and the bottom of the container as you go. Plat 10 needs to be degassed in a vacuum chamber for best results. Pour Plat 10 into the lowest part of your mold, avoiding pouring over the part directly. Plat 10 is ready to demold after 24 hours and is fully cured in 7 days.